With summer being here, you'll want to go out and enjoy the beautiful weather and longer days, maybe by eating a nice brunch with your friends or dipping your toes in the sand. You'll want to look stylish wherever you go, for you'll never know who you will meet, or to protect your eyes from the strong UV rays. Whatever your reason may be, at Joylot we've got you covered with our must-have sunglasses for style and protection. Coming in at number 1 is the oversized black sunglasses, a style you can't go wrong with, as these Gucci sunglasses are our best seller as they've been worn by many celebrities. Black also goes with everything, so you'll be able to wear whatever, whenever. They are also even able to be worn at any time of the year. Coming in at number 2 is the Aviator style. For this style, we decided to go with the Persol sunglasses. For one, they are stylish and have been seen on celebrities such as Steve McQueen, but also because of their guaranteeing extremely high protection from the sun's harmful rays. Did I also mention that they are foldable? At number 3, we have the cat eye style, with retro and vintage styles making a comeback. These Bottega Veneta sunglasses are a must-have. As Gen Z would say, it's giving. Or purr, which is very fitting to the style. Lastly, we have the rimless style. We have these Christian Dior sunglasses, Dior Attitude 2, giving you that cat eye style, as well as the rimless at the same time, so you're getting 2 styles in one. These are our must-haves of summer 2022. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check us out at joylot.com.